Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, please hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Here we do post natural hair compilation video or braided compilation videos, and I do not claim any rights to own these videos that I compile here, but rather I want to inspire people. Yes, and I also acknowledge the talented hairstylists and the people who have done this hairstyle.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
In today's video, I'll be showing you short knotless braids with Braids hairstyles. For this hairstyle, you can opt for short knotless braids or for medium knotless braids with beads. Both of them will look good on you. Also, this hairstyle can be done just on your natural hair. If you have some thick hair, you can do it on your natural hair, and also you can do it with braids that is added in order to increase the length and the thickness of your hair. So what is needed to achieve this hairstyle is braiding hair, a comb to part the box braid or triangle braids, gel or wax to make the braids neat, rubber band, it depends with the stylist, beads of your choice, they can either be clear or colored ones, the stylist, and also mousse when you're done with braiding the hair. So to start with, you should part your hair into the desired section. It can either be box or triangle. Then you can use the gel or wax because it helps you to trim the hair and make it neat. Then you start plaiting into 3 braids. Yes, you divide it further. You go when you're adding a bigger size to the desired one. Then you repeat the same method all over for your head. Then after that, you add the beads, and then you make sure to secure them at the end to prevent them from falling. After that, you should then apply the mousse and you are done. This hairstyle is so easy to maintain. Yes, and it's not heavy on your heads because the beads are not too heavy. It's a versatile hairstyle, and I would recommend anyone to do it. So that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more updates when I upload any video, and also like the video and comment down below on the favorite hairstyle that inspired you. Bye guys, see you on the next one.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.